Oh! Throw it back, honey. Yeah! Woo! There it is. Okay, here's the ball. You ready to catch it?
Yeah.
Okay. Whee! Oh, so close! Throw it back. I'm not any good at catching with one hand, but I don't have a catcher's mitt. Okay, you ready? Whee! Yay! You caught it!
Now you do the basketball.
Basketball. Oh, okay. You want me to throw the little basketball dude? Okay. Here we go. You ready? Whee! You caught it! Alright. Now
Do this again.
do this again? Okay. First I'll throw the baseball, and then I'll throw the basketball. You ready? Whee! Oh, you have to try to catch it, honey. Try to catch it. Hey, I caught that. Pretty good. You want me to throw the basketball?
Yeah.
Okay, here comes your little basketball friend. Woo! Alright, you caught it. Look at that. Alright. Do you like this game?
The soccer ball.
The soccer ball. Okay, let's
Soccer.
get the soccer ball. This is our little soccer ball. This one makes cute noises. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, get ready to catch him. Boing, oing, 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 oing. I like the noises. You ready to do that one again?
Again.
Okay. Whoops, I missed.
Okay.
Okay. Here we go. Woo! Where'd it go? Where is it?
It's over there.
It's over here. Okay, you ready? We'll throw that again. And there! Oing, 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 oing. Okay. Do you want to try the football?
Yeah, the football.
Okay, football's the last one. Cute little football friend. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. We can try to throw it like a football. Whoa! Alright, we'll try that again. One more time. Here we go. Ready? Oh!
That's what I get.
One more time?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. I'm going to concentrate. You concentrate too. Ready? Woo! Yay, we did it! You like that game? Indoor catch. You like it?
Yes, do indoor catch again.